people, this is Tanya. Welcome back to Gupta & Sen's Fabulous Home for Sale channel. Guess where I am today? Today I am at the Mumbai's famous Trump Tower and I'm going to show you a beautiful 4 BHK apartment as usual, and it is for sale. So I'm going to take you on a tour. Let's get started. So this is an absolutely new apartment and the building is also very new. It has 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and there are a lot of French windows. There's a living area and a dining space, and there is a servant quarter also. So let's check out the apartment because I've heard it has got some great views also. Let's check it out. Well, this is the view from the living area. And all I see is lots and lots of buildings, which gives a very metropolitan sort of a vibe. The previous apartments which we showed you had sea view maybe, but this has its own charm, you know. And I can see a pool which is again can be accessed by the residents. There's a garden, there is a cricket pitch, I can see a tennis court. So there's a lot of amenities also which is available for the residents. Yeah. I like the pattern on the walls. It just gives a very modern vibe to it. Not just on this wall, it is on that wall also. Check it out. Isn't it beautiful? So now I'm going to take you to the room which is right adjacent to the living room. It's a small room, I would say. Even though this room is small, I like the floor to ceiling height of these French windows, and the view of this room is exactly the same as we saw in the living room because we are facing the same side right now. So you exactly see the same things which you could see from the living room. Apart from this, there is also an ensuite bathroom which I'm going to show you now. So I'm entering the bathroom of the small bedroom, and this bathroom also is quite small, compact, but it's kind of cute, I think. And there is a bathing area, there is all the necessary stuff is there. You can't expect too much. It's like good enough for one person. Anyway, 2 people don't go to washroom together, right? So. Okay, so now we're gonna enter the kitchen, and as I always say, that kitchen is the heart of any house. So come. Entering the kitchen, and my first glimpse goes towards these big cabinets because this one actually is saved for the refrigerator, and this one is for the wine cooler, I'm guessing, and these are probably for your oven. And then we have this island which I really like. You can actually chop your vegetables, fruits, whatever you want, and then cook right here. So there is this hob here which I really like by Siemens. And it's a modular kitchen basically, and this one is by Pog&Pol, and it's white in color, absolutely white. I like the color combination. And there are a lot of cabinets here also. There are drawers, multiple drawers to store all your stuff, all your kitchen stuff. Yeah, and what else? There's a sink. There are cabinets here also if you see, so which means there is a room for storage, a lot of room for storage, I would say. There are sink here to wash your utensils, obviously. I don't need to tell you kitchen work, you know it better. And then there's a mirror here. Not sure what is that for. That's pretty much for the kitchen. Now I'm gonna head to the other rooms. Come with me. I am exiting the kitchen now and straight away entering to another room. So this is the room which I've just entered, and this is slightly bigger than the previous room which I saw. or I don't know, it looks bigger. This one can be used for as a guest room, or if you're a musician or if you're an artist, you can use it for any purpose. It's up to you. There are French windows again here with the same view, because this is exactly how the facing is exactly same like the living room and the other room which I showed you before. And this one also has an attached washroom. So I think almost all the rooms, no, not almost, every room here has an attached washroom. It's a small, compact, nice bathroom, and there's a big mirror placed right here at the sink area. And yeah, now I'm gonna head to the other room. Moving on to the passage area, there is one powder room right here, and there's a huge mirror here, and yeah, it's an additional bathroom basically, which can be used just in case all other bathrooms are occupied. And right near to that bathroom which I just showed you, I am entering another room which is right next to the master bedroom, which I'm going to show you later. This one is similar to the room which I showed you before. There's nothing else here, it's similar, but the French windows, which makes it amazing because there is so much natural light falling in the room because of these windows. And the view is similar to the living room and the other room because again it's the same side. And there is an ensuite bathroom, which I'm guessing is gonna be similar to the previous rooms, but let's see. Yeah, it's like 99% similar. This one is compact but modern, and a lot of granite work and a big mirror right here. There's a bathing area. There is a storage space also right underneath the sink. And yeah, it's that's what it is. It is cute, compact, neat and modern. Now I'm gonna head to the master bedroom, which I'm excited to see. So I have just entered the master bedroom and I see a lot of space here as compared to the other rooms which I just saw. Yeah, one thing I noticed about this house is, you know, these wallpapers, they are grey in color, and the tone, and it's adding an element to the house. This one has again the French windows, not to miss out on that because it's something to talk about. It has the same view again, a lot of buildings, metropolitan view, it's amazing. And it has an ensuite bathroom again, which is gonna be different from the other washrooms because it's a master bedroom. Let's see. And what's a luxury apartment without a bathtub? Imagine having a bath here after a long tiring day with scented candles all around the bathtub and some good music. How about that? And there are two sinks right here with a huge mirror. That's pretty much for the ensuite bathroom of the master bedroom. I'm not sure if there's something left. Oh, there's a servant quarters too. Let's see that. It is actually outside the apartment, right adjacent. We're right now at the entrance, and right next to it is the servant quarters with again a small washroom. So if you have a servant at your house, you can give them a separate entry, a separate key altogether, and they can have their own space. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this 4 BHK apartment at the Trump Towers, Mumbai. Remember, living at Trump Tower means you've truly arrived. Just say this sentence: I live at Trump Towers. Don't you feel powerful? Now don't just feel powerful. If you really want to live here, contact us on the number given below and we will be happy to showcase you the property, or if you need any other information, please free to do so. Remember, there are only limited number of apartments left at the Trump Towers, Mumbai, so hurry up. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You know the drill by now. Meanwhile, I'm gonna see you very soon because we're gonna showcase some amazing luxury properties for sale for you guys. See you soon. Bye.